Give me your favorite meal and I'll go try it.
I know you haven't tried Jamaican food, so you gotta try Ocho Rios Grill.
Get that jerk chicken.
Damn, okay, what else though?
And that oxtail dinner. And that curry goat talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something. Why is it that whenever people from around the world try Jamaican food for the first time, their reactions are almost unforgettable? Is it the bold flavors, the spices, or is it simply the love that goes into every meal? So guys, today we are reacting to some funny and surprising moments as foreigners experience Jamaican food, some tasting it for the first time and others try even to cook it themselves. Trust me, this is one that is going to be entertaining. So guys, let's get into it and let's watch those combination of videos explaining it. Then I'll be coming back with more reaction. Please remember to subscribe to the channel.
So I just come from work, tired and hungry. So if you want to be Jamaica, as you say, you want to be a Jamaican citizen, you have to make me some nice caramel porridge.
Oh, that's easy. That's just sweet grits.
No sweet grits. You see me make it already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how to make it.
Okay.
Alright, I'll get the ingredients and I make it, and yeah.
I'll get the ingredients. See if I'm
no,
right.
me get it. Alright, so caramel, sugar, condensed milk, evaporated milk, nutmeg. But make sure you do it good enough. The kids them can at least get some for lunch. And they get the water and me go shower quick. So me will make a video, you know. Okay. You agree?
Yeah, I'm doing
Alright.
that. Tell you what, I love Jamaica. I really want to move there, so I'm gonna make the best porridge ever. Alright, the water's boiling. I'm gonna get this all started up. It's just sweet grits, so I'm gonna make it like grits. I'm gonna put a little bit of egg and sausage in there. It'd be perfect. She'll never have the best porridge ever. I'm gonna stir it up a little. And once, oh, better hurry, the water's boiling. For the sweet grits. Well, that looks good. Look at that. Alright. So throw a little bit of cornmeal in there. Get a little clumpy, but we'll get it. A little bit of nutmeg in there. And it's that and condensed milk, so that makes it sweet grits. Pepper always makes stuff look good and taste good. It's done. So I'm gonna dip some bowls and see what Tracy thinks of. Yeah, it looks just like grits. Alright. We going to Jamaica? I'm sure Bryson will want some too, so let me get a little bit for Bryson.
Shower and feel fresh. You finished already?
Absolutely.
Oh, let's see. You guys got a rating.
Get a taste. See what you think. See,
You
it's hot.
kind of look
Still
lumpy though.
Oh no,
You know,
that's
mix out the caramel good?
yeah, that's just egg and sausage in there.
What?
Yeah.
You fry egg and put in there?
Man, I just put it in the water and mixed it all up. There's the sausage in there. Dude.
May I watch over a video? Come in and yam this.
Dude, I'm
You
telling
sick
you.
of your bro? Oh, if you make yam, me tell you say grits are grits. Grits white.
What's grits made out of? Corn. What is cornmeal made out
Brian,
of?
you take this thing for me hungry, no man.
Yeah.
You tasty.
No, I ain't scared. I like grits and eggs.
I ain't sitting there, that's why I say could cook so quick.
That's actually good.
You're not going to Jamaica. No.
No, I'm gonna get
No.
You're Arab. What are you doing making Jamaican
No,
food?
I'm actually Palestinian.
Palestinian?
Yes, sir.
Bomba clot wallahi. Wait, you should be making shawarma, man. What do you know about Jamaican food?
Bro, try it and you will think I'm Jamaican, man. Just take one
All
bite.
right, if I
just
take one
bite.
bite of this and it tastes like the Jamaican food I usually get in Brooklyn, then I will do the meanest, dirty wine, dob.
I'm at Juicy Patty in Jamaica, trying chicken patty with coconut bread and pea soup or some shit.
What the fuck is that?
Mold.
Bruh.
Moldy. No. Honestly, eat around it though. We got the coconut bread and apparently we put the patty inside, I guess. There we go.
Oh, I can't deal with that.
A lot of bread. It's way better warm and with the coconut bread. Y'all were right. Red pea soup. Mmm. There's meat inside of there. And it's a little tiny bit spicy. I love how the food in Jamaica is a little bit spicy. What the fuck are you doing? Like a dumpling. There is a bone inside the soup. Is this normal? I'm gonna stick to my non-moldy soup.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell.
A lot of people want to see me eat Jamaican food, so let's eat mine. Curry goat? That rich flavor is just splashing right on my tongue. 9 out of 10. Jerk chicken. Whew, that spice is jerking. 8.6 out of 10. Oxtail? It's deeply beefy, but that sweetness just throws me off. 7 out of 10. Kalaloo. Surprises me with this warm butteriness. 6.5 out of 10. Fried plantains. Slightly sweet, and I like the texture. 6.9 out of 10. Beef patty? That spice, it's like a Supreme Crunch Wrap, but better. 9 out of 10.
Today I'm gonna be trying Jamaican jerk biz. I got the brown stew chicken with cabbage and rice and peas. One thing I love about this place is that they give you a lot of food, so definitely can split this up into 2 different meals. Let's see what this cabbage talking about. Has a lot of flavor. 10 out of 10. Next, let's try the chicken. That was good. That was real good. That's really good. And I love how they put so much gravy on here too. They mix it with the rice and peas. I'm not even Jamaican, despite people think I am because of my locks. But this is good. And I got the mango carrot. If you know, you know. Look at that chicken. You know, I gotta try the plantain. It just comes right off the bone. That's what I'm talking about. Dip it in that gravy. You play with it a little bit. Overall, 10 out of 10. Compliments to the chef. This is probably the best food I've had since I started this series.
We made it to Ocho's Rio Grill, Connecticut. This is my first time trying Jamaican food. Can I get the oxtail dinner?
Yeah, sure.
You know, this is my first time trying Jamaican food.
It's gonna be fun. Now we're gonna serve the oxtail.
You guys don't go light on the serving.
We give a good portion.
Can I also get the jerk chicken wings, the curry goat taco, the max patty, the Barbie fried chicken pumpkin rice?
Sure, 91.82.
We got Ocho Rios Grill's favorite meal. I hope the Jamaican food shocks me. First, we're starting with the curry goat taco. This taco literally makes like Taco Tuesday feel like a national holiday. That curry is so creamy. This is for sure the goat, 8.9. Next, we got the Barbie fried chicken pumpkin rice. I was expecting that barbecue to be a little bit sweet, but it's more to the spicy, zingy side. Let me try that pumpkin rice. This is so good. It's Jamaican me crazy. 9.1. The jerk chicken wings. These wings are so filed. They're roasting me back. I taste a little vinegar on there. 9.1. Next, we got the max patty. It's like a Jamaican beef patty and they put like this cheese. Jamaican food for sure blew me away. 8.6. We got their oxtail dinner. If you're in Connecticut, you gotta come try this authentic Jamaican food. 9.6. For 91 bucks, I get this again 100%. It's Jamaican me crazy. Cody improves Ocho Rios Grill.
I just got Jamaican patties from Turks and Caicos. These patties flew on air Drake. Fun fact, my first time ever trying a Jamaican patty was when I moved to Toronto 9 months ago. They're now my favorite thing.
What's your favorite Jamaican dish?
Well, it's that dish that most men are afraid to admit that they eat.
Really?
Yes, because I guess some of them say it does too salt. I've been doing it for a long time, and I must admit I'm fairly good at it. So I have not had any complaints.
Okay, welcome back. Right away, you can tell everyone is excited. I always enjoy videos like this because food has a unique way of bringing people together. You don't have to come from the same country or even to speak the same language to appreciate a great meal. One good bite can tell you everything you need to know. Now, here's someone trying to make a traditional Jamaican breakfast. I have to give them credit, their confidence, and confidence is a good thing in kitchen. But with traditional recipes, confidence alone isn't enough. Sometimes you've got to slow down, follow the recipe, and respect the culture behind the dish. Oh no, I think we are starting to drift away from the original recipes. This is one of those moments where you're watching and thinking, are we still making Jamaican food? Sometimes people try to improve a recipe before they have even tested the original version. What makes Jamaican cooking special is that every ingredient has a purpose. And whether it's the spices, the seasoning, or the way everything is prepared, generations of families have passed these recipes down. That is why so many Jamaicans are passionate about keeping those traditions alive. Now, let's look at these people tasting authentic Jamaican food for the first time. I love watching these reactions because they usually follow the same pattern. The first bite, a short pause, then eyes open, and suddenly there's a big smile. That's when you know the food has done its job. And Jamaican cuisine has become famous around the world for reasoning. It's influenced by African, Taino, European, Indian, and Chinese tradition, creating flavors that are rich, bold, and unforgettable. Every meal carries a little piece of that history. I have a question for everyone watching. If your friend has ever eaten Jamaican food before, which dish would you recommend first? Would you start with jerky chicken, oxtail, curry goat, and saltfish, or maybe a delicious beef patty? Let me know in the comments because I'm curious to see what everyone chooses. One thing I really appreciate when people are willing to learn, nobody is born knowing other countries' recipes. The important thing is having an open mind and respecting the tradition while enjoying the experience. That is how cultures connect with each other. Now, we are back to another cooking attempt, and I can't stop smiling. You can see the excitement, but you can also see a few decisions that might surprise any Jamaican. It's funny because the person clearly means well, but sometimes good intention don't always produce the best results in the kitchen. Imagine serving that meal to a Jamaican grandmother. She'd probably smile politely, take one look at it, and ask, "What exactly have you made?" That would be a conversation worthy watching. At the same time, let's give credit where it's due. It takes courage to try cooking food from another culture. Many people never even attempt it. Even if the final result isn't perfect, every mistake is a chance to learn something new. Another thing I love about Jamaican food is how it creates memories. Ask almost any Jamaican about their favorite childhood meal, and they will probably have a story to tell. Food isn't just something to eat, it's connected to family, celebrations, and growing up. Looking at this section, it's easy to understand why Jamaican cuisine has fans across the globe. Time after time, people are surprised by the depth of flavor and the unique combinations of spices. Many visitors come to Jamaica expecting beautiful beaches, but they leave talking just as much as about the food. Here's another question. Have you ever tried cooking a traditional meal from another country and realized halfway through that you are doing it completely wrong? If so, you are definitely not alone, because cooking can be one of the funniest way to learn about another culture. And this section reminds us that food has the power to connect people. It starts conversations, creates laughter, and introduces us to traditions we may never have to know before. Even when someone gets the recipe wrong, their willingness to learn deserves respect. Overall, I had a great time watching these moments. Some made me laugh, some made me angry, and all of them showed why Jamaican food continues to win hearts around the world. Whether someone is tasting it for the first time or trying to recreate it at home, every experience helps spread appreciation for Jamaican culture. So tell me in the comments, which Jamaican dish is absolutely favorite, and which one do you think ever visitors should try before leaving the island? I'd love to read your answers. Thank you all for watching, and if you've enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more reactions celebrating Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the amazing stories from around the world. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.